Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Salespanel. Salespanel is a software by which you can track your visitors website activity in real time, and it's an alternative of Google Analytics. Actually also it's an alternative of Metrics and Orpa, and they're saying Salespanel helps B2B business track customer journeys, analyze site traffic, and identify qualified leads using first party data. They're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and see the lifetime deal pricing is 49 USD for single code. Here you will get 10,000 monthly visitors, which is um, good for the beginners, I think. But if you are not beginner, then I think you need at least this code 5. Here you will get 100k monthly visitors. So depending on your need, depending on your monthly visitor, you have to get the code that you need. And you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this sales panel lifetime deal. And there have 3 month data retention, guys. You will get 3 month data retention, and their GDPR complaint. Hope you get idea, guys. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of sales panel and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for us. But before starting the review, guys, one thing I want to show you guys, we are running lifetime deal giveaway campaign on this Passivern YouTube channel in every week. If you're interested to join on this giveaway campaign, you are cordially invited, guys. Just join on this giveaway campaign. This is the dashboard of sales panel, and see on the dashboard you will see all your leads. At first, basically here you can filter these leads depending on active users, new visitor, depending on let's say here date range. You can select different date range: today, this week, this month, this quarter. You can here select your website. In my case, only one website has been connected. In your case, if you connect here multiple website, then you can filter depending on different website, and then they have assigned to, unassigned, and here your team member basically. And see there have returning visitor, sleeping away visitors. You can filter depending on these needs here. And see here in my case I have these leads. If I go to any lead, let's say if I just click here, then from here I can see lead status. I can see assigned to, unassigned. Let's say I will change it to this person. This is my team member, let's say. So I have assigned this visitor to this team member, and then last activity I can see the first activity time. I can see total time is spent on my website. I can see the source, that means from where they have visited to my website. I can see medium organic, that means if you run ads on Google, or if you run any paid campaign, then if you get the visitor by using paid marketing, then here you will see paid. But as this visitor is completely organic, that's why I'm seeing here organic. Then you can see page view, that means how many pages they have visited. You can see the quality score of this lead. You can see age range, and you can see the location. So here location is, they're saying that Everett. I'm not sure why, because my location is Bangladesh, so they cannot track this location in right way. And then they have company details, and that means from which company they have visited. And see they're saying that super fast connectivity, and this person is basically me, guys. I have visited here, and super fast connectivity is my internet company. So they have tracked the internet company, not my company. This is one drawback of this tool, I think, because this is not my company, but this is the company from where I am using my internet basically. As you can see, this is the company details. And then visitor attributes, here they're saying that there are no attributes attached to this visitor. And then they have acquisition information. You can see the browser history, IP address, visiting location, and language. And then you can see which pages they have visited basically from here. And you can see the complete customer journey from here. See, at first they have visited to home, then they have visited to contact, then they have visited uh, to form submission. That means then they have submitted the form, and then they have submitted form on contact. They have visited on contact, they have visited on product page, they have visited on bicycle page, they have visited on bicycle globe rate page, they have visited to checkout page, and then they have visited to product page again, then they have visited to about us page again. So here you can see in this way the complete customer journey. I'll show you how it will work. Now let's say my website is this spacetravelo.com, but here, to get this information, one thing you have to do, guys, you have to install this tracking code here. If I go to this tracking code section, as you can see here, they will provide you one tracking code. You have to keep this tracking code on the head section on your website. Also, you can install it on WordPress by using plugin. You can install it by using Google Tag Manager also. Just click here and then you will get the step-by-step instruction how to do it. And I have done these things already. Basically, I have added this code on the head section on my website. So whenever you will add this tracking code on your website, then you can track the complete website visitors journey by using this sales panel. So let's say you have added your tracking code on your website and your website is spacetravelo.com, and in anywhere, if uh, here have any way to submit the contact details. Let's say in my case I have this contact section, but it doesn't mean that you have to use this contact section. Maybe you have a pop-up, or maybe you have a place where people can submit their information. Basically, whenever they will submit their information, it will start to track. But if they do not submit their information, still it can track. In this case, you will get their information in this anonymous visitor section. See, if I go to this anonymous visitor section, and from here I can see the customer journey, but here in this case they are anonymous. Why they are anonymous? Because they haven't submitted any contact details here. And as you can see, I can see the complete customer journey here. I can see the customer IP address, visiting location, language, lead status, assigned to, I can see last activity, first activity, total time spent, source, etc. Everything I can see from here. So the thing is, if the customer do not submit any contact information, then their information will be stored in this anonymous visitor section. But if they submit any contact information in your website, then they will be added in this lead section. And this contact information they can submit in anywhere. Let's say I will add here some contact details or some contact information. Let's say my name is Pas, then last name is IT, and email, let's say this is mm, let's say this is my email. Okay, this is my email, and here I will add some text. Let's say here, just I will copy it just for test purpose, and then I will paste it here, and then I will send the message, and then let's see what happened. And the submission has been done. Now if I go to sales panel and then if I reload it, I will see my new leads here. Just let me reload and see, this is my new lead. Now if I just click here, and from here I can see his email, I can see his name, and I can see his activity from here. Basically, hope you get idea, guys, about this lead section of this sales panel. And here in the lead section you will see all the leads who have submitted their contact information on your website. And then they have visiting companies. Here you will see the visiting companies basically. And here this sales panel has detected super fast connectivity, and this is not my company, this is the company from where I get my internet connection. So they have tracked this super fast connectivity basically here. Hope you get idea, guys. And then there have anonymous visitor. That means if any people do not submit their contact information on your website, but they have visited on your website, then you will see their details here, but you will not see their contacts here basically. Then they have dashboard setting. If I go to this dashboard setting, there have only include visitor on dashboard having this tag. You can here set up a specific tag, and then you can add them to your dashboard only. Then they have exclude visitor on dashboard having this tag. So you can include or exclude a certain type of visitors from here by using this feature basically. Then they have exclude visiting companies on dashboard having this tag. So you can also exclude the companies here basically. And then there have reports. If I go to this reporting section, here you will see the report on your website. And that means, see, I have total new visitor 8, total new visiting companies 1, new identified leads 5. And here you can see in graphical way basically, I have used this tool only one day, that's why I am seeing here little dot. But in your case, if you use it in a long time, then you will see a very nice graph here basically. And this is overview. There have source. So if I go to the source section, there I have source see, 4 lead I have gotten who are identified, and 3 leads I have gotten who are anonymous, and this is basically sample source. And from google.com I have gotten 1 lead, and I have gotten 1 visiting companies. So you can see all your source basically here. Then they have medium, and then they have countries, visited pages, and there have landing pages, there have industries and company size, there have forms submitted. So here there have a lot of type of reporting, guys, you can see from here. Then they have behavior. If I go to this activities section, you will see all the activity behavior of your visitors here. See, visitor identified as leads is 1, and as visiting company is 1. So here you will get very details reporting basically in this report section. After that they have segment. If I go to the segment section, here you can create different segment of your visitor. Just click here, create segment. Here you have to select the condition for this segment. That means if this condition match, then they will go to this specific segment. You have to do these things here basically. Let's say people who will visit from maybe New York. Let me search a New York. I'm not seeing anything like New York. Okay, here city. Yes, city includes. Yes, includes. And here I have to select maybe New York, and then yes, New York City is available here. And see here you can select city, region, country. You can select here activity, last activity in days, visitors from this website session, page visits, total time spent, landing page URL visited page with title, form submitted on URL, emails of opened, then opened an email with subject. So a lot of things you can select here basically, and then you can add your condition here. Let's say I want to create the segment for the people who are from New York City, and who has let's say who has spent total time. You can select greater than or equal to, is equal to, less than or equal to, let's say greater than, let's say 100 second on my website. I want to create one segment by using them. So in this way you have to select here condition. You can add new condition. Just click here add, and then you can here add as many condition as you want. And after adding all the conditions, just click here on this save segment, and then you will be redirected to here. Here you have to give the title of this segment. Let's say in my case the title will be New York City, and then here I'll just click on this save segment, and then you will be redirected to here. Here you have to set up the triggers. That means notify your team member about qualified visitors in real time. Select team member to send notification. Let's say this is my team member. Send notification to visitor assignee. You can also enable it. And then subject line for notification, you can select which subject line you want to add in your email notification, and you can send the email notification. You can send browser notification also, and then just click here on this save preferences. Your segment will be created, and in this way you can segmentify your audience or your website visitor. And see, this New York City has been added here, and in this way you can create as many segment as you want, and then you can use these segments later in your marketing campaign. Hope you get idea, guys. And then they have lead scoring. If I go to this lead scoring section, here you can see lead scoring condition. See, here are the lead scoring condition. Let's say you want to set up one lead scoring condition. Just click here create rule, and then let's say here lead score. If I just click here lead score, let's say lead score must be 20 points to the visitor when they meet following condition. Which condition? You have to select the condition from here. Let's say has lead source matching, let's say google, let's say google.com. It will fetch it. Yes, it will fetch it. See, just click here, and then they will be added. You can add more condition. Just click here add more condition, and let's say city. Yes, let's say city, and let's say when the person will visit from google.com, and when the city of this person will be this city, let's say Dhaka, then this score will be added. You can add more condition from here, and after adding all your condition, see what conditions you can add. You can add email address, job title, region, country, company size, company industry, web visits, You can select here web sessions, web page visits, web page visit duration, web form submission, email opens. You can select here email activities. You can select custom activity category, custom activity level, etc. And after adding all your conditions, you have to just click here on this save the rule. Okay, here save this lead scoring as, let's say, you have to give one name, let's say leads visited from Dhaka, and then just click here on this save this rule, and then this rule will be set up. And in this way you can create unlimited rule, and you can provide scoring to your leads. Hope you get idea, guys. And then they have plugins and extension. They have Chrome extension, guys. You can use their Chrome extension also. See, and this is sales panel Chrome extension. Also they have a lot of integration. Let me go to this integration section. See, they have Pipedrive integration, Mailchimp integration, then they have Salesforce email marketing tools integration, Calendly. They have Close, WordPress, Wix, Webflow, HubSpot, Zoho, Slack, and Zapier integration. So these are the things. Hope you get idea. You can use this integration, you can use their Chrome extension, and then you can generate leads by using this sales panel. So these are the whole idea behind this sales panel tool. You can here track your customer journey by using this sales panel, and you can use this customer journey data in your marketing campaign later. If you think you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this sales panel lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this sales panel lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this sales panel lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel.